Now see, today's topic is logical reasoning, non-verbal counting figures. Okay. In that, first we see ray. First I denote, suppose this AD is a segment. AD is a segment, and I divide this segment AD into three parts. Suppose this is AB is one segment, BC is another segment, and CD is third segment. Okay. Then we have to count the number of segments. Okay. Total number of segments. See, AB is first, BC is second, CD is third, AD is 4, then AC is 5, BD is 6. Okay. Then BC is 7, then 8 number is AB, BC, CD, then AC, AD. Okay. Then BD and CA, AD. Then easy trick for counting this type of segments. Easy trick is here. We have to divide this 1, 2 and 3 parts. Okay. Then do in this way: 1 plus 2 plus 3, 1 plus 2 plus 3 and plus 4. Total number of segments I write here. See here how to find out total number of segments. Total number of segments. Now how many parts are there? Points are there: 1, 2, 3 and 4 points. Then see, in this way: 4 plus 3 plus 2 plus 1, that is 4 plus 3 7, 7 plus 2 9 and 9 plus 1 10, and therefore there are 10 number of segments in this bigger segment AB. Okay. By joining point A, B and C, that 3 dots, how many segments can be drawn? Now see here, very easy. How many points are there? CA, AB and BC. Okay. How many segments can be drawn? 3 segments can be drawn, because these 3 points are non-collinear. What do you mean by non-collinear? अगर तीनों पॉइंट एक लाइन में, स्ट्रेट लाइन में नहीं रहते तो उसको बोलते हैं नॉन कोलिनियर पॉइंट. एंड इफ एनी 3 पॉइंट्स आर लाई इन अ स्ट्रेट लाइन मीन्स एक ही लाइन में, then that points are known as collinear points. Remember this. Okay. Then next one. Now see, next one is these 5 dots, that is A, B, C, D and E. If we join these 5 dots, then how many segments can be drawn? Now see here, this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. But easy trick is we have to subtract 1 from number of dots. See, easy trick, we have to subtract. This trick works. Subtract 1 from number of dots. Okay. Subtract 1 from number of dots and add in this space here. Suppose how many points are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 points. Therefore 5 minus 1, that is 4. Then do your regular method. 4 plus 3 plus 2 plus 1, that is 4 plus 3 7, 7 plus 2 9, 9 plus 1 10. In this way, very easy. But if the points are non-collinear. Now next point is ray. What is meant by ray? It has an arrow at one of its ends. Okay. Now see, in this way, this side arrow is there, therefore it's ray. Okay. Now see, this ray is divided into how many segments? See, FE, ED, BC, CB and BA. Now remember, this part is not a segment because one side is arrow. Okay. Now see how many parts are there? 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 parts. Okay. there are 5 small segments, and therefore total number of segments. How to find out total number of segments? In the case of ray, same as segment. Okay, now 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5, that is how many? 15. There are 15 segments in this ray. Okay, the next point is line. In line, same method. Here, how many parts are there? 1 AB single segment, BC, CD and D. Remove this part and this part because they are ray, and therefore 1, 2, 3, 4. That is 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4. That is 10. Remember this thing. Now see this angle CAB. This is the bisector. Bisector means it divides the angle into 2 parts. Okay. Now total number of parts are, how many rays are there? 1, 2 and 3 rays. That is total angle are 3 parts, and therefore total number of angles. How to find out? Now see angles. Suppose this is an angle ABC. Angle, I write here, angle A, B, and C, angle ABC. I divide this angle ABC into suppose 2 parts. Okay, this is 1 part and this is 2 parts. Then total number of angles. How to find out total number of angles? Simply add these 2 parts, that is 1 plus 2. That is total number of angles are 3. Now suppose this angle is there. This angle is P, Q and R. Okay, and I divide this angle into 3 parts. Suppose this is first part, second and third part. Okay, first, second and third part. Then how to find out total number of angles? Simply add these 3, that is 1 plus 2 plus 3, that is 3 plus 2 5 and 5 plus 1. Total number of angles are 6 angles. Now triangles. Okay, same method. Total number of triangles. We have to count total number of triangles. Suppose question is asked in this way, and we have to find out total number of triangles. Very easy. Simply write number 1, 2, 3, 4 and add these 4 numbers. That is 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4. That is 10. Okay. If there are 4 parts are there. If suppose I add 1 part here. If suppose 5 parts are there, then total number of triangles 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5. That is 15. Okay. Suppose if I add 1 part here. Suppose 6 parts are there. Then total number of triangles 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5 plus 6. That is 15 plus 6. Answer is 21. The next one is quadrilaterals. Okay. Now see this figure is there, and we have to find out total number of quadrilaterals. See, not square. Quadrilateral, remember, these are the squares, and quadrilateral means this is also a quadrilateral. Remember. Okay. This figure is also a quadrilateral. In this way we have to count. Okay. Now easy method is, see, this is horizontal. Okay. And this is vertical. Add horizontally, that means 1 plus 2 plus 3, and remember this sign is multiply by, add horizontally, that is 1 plus 2. Okay. 1 plus 2 plus 3 is 6, and horizontal addition is 3, that is 6 3s are 18 quadrilaterals are there. Suppose here again in this way, figure is like this, suppose. Then number of quadrilaterals are 1 plus 2 plus 3 again. Okay, that is 3 plus 2, 5 plus 1, 6 multiplied by 6, that is 36. In this case number of quadrilaterals are 36. Okay. Now in this figures here, 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4. Okay, multiply by 1 plus 2 plus 3. Now 1 plus 2 is 3, 3 plus 3 6, 6 plus 4 10, and here it is 3 plus 2 5 plus 1 6, 10 6 are 60 quadrilaterals are there. Very easy method how to find out number of quadrilateral. Remember, these useful for quadrilateral, not square. Then next one is how to find out total number of squares in a given figure. Very easy. Now see, suppose this figure is given and it is divided into 1 2 3 4 parts. Okay, now how to find out number of squares? Very easy method is, see here, how many squares are there? 1 and 2. Okay, 1 square plus 2 square. 1 square is 1 and 2 square is 4, and 1 plus 4 is 5. Your answer is 5. Now see here in second figure, see 1 plus 2 plus 3. 1 plus 2 plus 3, that is 1 square plus 2 square plus 3 square. Okay, 1 square is 1, 2 square is 4, and 3 square is 9. That is 9 plus 5 is 14. Total number of squares are 14 squares. Now see, if the figure is rectangular, in the first case figure is square shape. Now here figure is rectangular. Okay, if the figure is rectangular, then how to find out total number of squares? Okay, now see, first is 2 multiplied by 3. Okay, because here it is 2. See how I multiply 2 into 3, 2, and here it is 3. Therefore multiply 2 and 3. 2 multiplied by 3 plus remaining larger digit. Now tell me, remaining larger digit. I multiply these 2 and 3. That numbers are over. Then remaining digits are 1 and 2, and in this 1 and 2 larger digit is 2, and therefore 6 plus 2, that is 8 squares. Now see in this figure, see here, multiply this one. First इधर का लास्ट डिजिट और इधर का फर्स्ट डिजिट. ओके, 2 multiplied by 4 because here it is 4. See 4 and here it is 2, and therefore 2 multiplied by 4. 2 into 4 ही क्यों किया? Because how many parts are there? 1 2 3 4 parts. Therefore take this 4 number. Here it is 2 parts. Okay, now remaining larger digit. इसमें से larger digit कौन सा बचता है? 3, and therefore 4 2s are 8 plus 3, that is 11 square. Now see next figure. Very easy here. How many parts? 1 2 3 4 parts. Therefore I take 4 number. Then here it is 1 2 3 parts. Then 3 third number. 4 multiplied by 3. Now see 4 3s are 12. Okay, 4 3s are 12. Now again ये स्क्वायर रिमेनिंग है अभी, तो इसमें से हम क्या करेंगे फिर? We 1 2 3. Therefore third we have to take third. Then take second. 3 into 2 कितना आएगा? 6. 12 plus 6 प्लस ये 2 नंबर बचते हैं. लास्ट में ये 2 नंबर बचना चाहिए. ठीक है, 2 या 3. इसमें से बड़ा नंबर 2, that is 12 plus 6 plus 2, that is 12 plus 6 18 plus 2 20. फिर एक बार देखो, इसमें से बड़ा नंबर क्या है? 4. ऐसा क्रॉस, सी वी प्ले क्रॉस 0 नो, तो ऐसा क्रॉस होना चाहिए. ये 1 और 2 में ऐसा क्रॉस नहीं होता, इसलिए इसमें से बड़ा नंबर लिया. इधर देखो 1 2 3 में ऐसे क्रॉस नहीं हो रहा है, इधर 1 2 में क्रॉस नहीं हो रहा है. अगर इधर क्रॉस होता था तो फिर सेम मेथड हम फॉलो करते थे. ओके, नाउ नेक्स्ट वन इज रेक्टेंगल. नाउ सी 1 2 3 4 पार्ट्स आर देयर. ओके, नाउ हियर व्हाट यू हैव टू डू? 4 minus 1. क्या करना है आपको? 4 minus 1. 4 छोड़ून द्यायचा, 4 को छोड़ना है. 1 plus 2 plus 3, that is 6 rectangles. There are 6 rectangles. Now see here 1 2 3 4 5. तो 5 को छोड़ दो, remove this 5. 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4, that is 10. Now see here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, 5 rectangular parts. Now total number of rectangles. If square parts are there in this figure, in this A figure, these are all squares. Whenever squares are there and we ask number of rectangles, then remove last number. Okay, and whenever rectangular parts are there, see these are not square, these are rectangle. Okay, whenever rectangular parts are there, then simply add these whole parts, all parts, that is 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5. Okay, and that is 15. Then here, see here, rectangular parts are there, this is rectangle. Okay, and that's why I add 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4, that is total number of rectangles are 10. जर फिगर मध्ये असे स्क्वेअर असतील तरच लास्ट नंबर रिमूव्ह करायचा, आणि फिगर मध्ये असे रेक्टँगल असतील तर सगळ्या नंबरची एडिशन करायची. नाउ सी इन दिस फिगर, व्हेन फिगर इज नॉट यूनिफॉर्म, ये साइड में 3 रेक्टेंगल है और ये साइड में 2 रेक्टेंगल है. ओके, इन दिस केस सी simply add this 1 plus 2 plus 3 and add this 1 plus 2 and multiply these numbers. 1 plus 2 is 3 and 1 plus 2 plus 3 is 6. 3 6 are 18 and therefore your answer is total number of rectangles are 18. Now here same way 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 multiply by 1 plus 2. 1 plus 2 is 3 and this is 10. 3 10s are 30. Total number of rectangles are 30. Now here 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4, that is 10, and here it is 1 plus 2 plus 3 is 6, that is 10 6 are 60. When this method is applied, when A side का और A side का same नहीं रहेगा, okay, then we have to apply this method. Now next one, cube. Now see, very easy. In this cube how many cubes are there? Now see, ऊपर कितना है, ऊपर वाला 1 2, इसके पीछे 3 and 4. ओके, और नीचे भी कितना रहेगा 1 2 3 4, तो टोटल कितना हो गया 8. वेरी इजी. देन नेक्स्ट वन इज, नाउ सी इन फिगर बी हाउ मेनी, दिस इज 1, दिस इज 2, this is 3, this is 4 and this is 5. Okay, how many cubes? 5 cubes are there in figure B. How many triangles exist in adjoining figure? Now see number of triangles, 1 2 3 4 5 triangles. Then see this bigger triangle is 6, this bigger triangle is 7. Okay, then here this triangle is 8, then this whole bigger triangle is 9, then next one is here this one, this small triangle is 10 and 11 is here, this triangle is remaining, no, this is 11. Total number of triangles are 11. Okay, how many triangles are there in the adjacent figure? Now see, triangles are there 13 triangles. Triangle is 1 triangle, then this is 2, this is 3. Okay, this bigger one here, this bigger one is 4, then this is 5, this is 6, this bigger one is 7, up to this 7 over. Now see नीचे 8 9 और ये bigger वाला ये 10. Okay, इधर तक 10 हो गया 10. Then this one is 11, this triangle is 11. Then this is 12, this is 13 and this smaller triangle is 14. See again, this is first, this is second, this is third, this is 4 5 and this bigger one is 6. Then this नीचे का bigger one 7. This is 8, 9. Okay. Then there is 10. This bigger one, no? This bigger one is remaining. That is 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. See again. 1, 2, 3. Understood? Then this bigger. That is 4. Then this is 5, 6. This bigger one is 7. Okay. नीचे का bigger one 8, 9, 10. तो इधर तक 10 हो गया. Then this is 11, 12, 13 and 14. And therefore your answer is option number 1. That is 14. How many quadrilaterals are there in the adjacent figure? Now how to find out number of quadrilaterals here. Quadrilateral में 4 sides. 1, 2, 3, 4. This is 1. Then is it quadrilateral? No. Then this is quadrilateral. Okay. 2. Then see here. This is a quadrilateral. See this one. This is. That is 3. Then this is also a quadrilateral. See here. 1, 2, 3, 4 sides. That is 4 quadrilaterals are there. And therefore this is 4. Then see this one is 5. No. This is 5. 5 quadrilateral. And this is 6. 1, 2, 3, 4. There are 6 quadrilaterals. That is option number 3 is your answer. How many triangles are there in the given figure? Now see, I count the triangles. First, now see number of triangles. This is first, this is second, this is third, this is 4, this triangle is 5, this triangle is 6. Now see this bigger triangle. Up to bigger triangle there are 7 triangles. Now see this triangle. This bigger triangle is 8. Okay. Now see here again this bigger triangle. This bigger triangle, that is 9. Okay. Now see this triangle. Yes, 1, 2 and 3. That is 10. Again this bigger triangle 1, 2 and 3. That is 11. Now see again this triangle. Yes, that is 12. और ये वाला 1, 2, 3. Therefore there are how many triangles are there? 13 triangles. Your answer is 13 triangles. The cubes of same dimensions are arranged according to the given figure. New figure is formed. How many faces will be there in such figure? Now see how many faces are there. They ask faces. Faces means ऊपर का part. देखो faces are 1. This one face. This is 2. Then this is 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. No, 1 minute. Sorry, faces are there. Now see number of faces. No, faces. This is first. See here. This is first face. Then this is second face. This is third face. Then this whole face here. This whole face is fourth one. 4. Then this side, full side. कोणती बघा? This one. This side, full. This is one face, no? This is 5. Okay. Then this one. This is 6. Then this is 7. Then this face is 8. Okay. Then इसके बैक साइड में जो आएगा वो 9. ये साइड में ऐसा आएगा 10. ओके. और ये नीचे का बेस जो है जिसके ऊपर ये खड़ा है, दैट इज 11. एंड देयरफॉर ऑप्शन नंबर 4 इज